Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to talk about teenage skincare product which comes under rupees 200. This video is going to be very helpful for you guys. So if you want to know more about all these products, please keep on watching. Every day a new product is coming in the market, and I know that you guys watch a lot of videos, lot of advertisement, and you think that you need a lot of product to keep your skin healthy and glowing. But let me tell you, you already have a healthy skin. You have to just maintain it. You have to use the products which really work for yourself and try to keep your skincare minimal. That is going to work for you, trust me. When we talk about skincare, cleansing is the first step. So here I have 3 face washes with me, guys. The first one is this one. This is Lotus White Glow Activated Charcoal Face Wash. Now if you use this face wash, you will definitely get a very clear skin. And this face wash is having charcoal. It goes deep down your pores and clear all the impurities. It controls your oils, but it makes your skin a bit dry. So if your skin is oily, you can definitely give this a try, and it is priced at only rupees 135. You will be getting 50 ml of product. Now the next face wash is very common. This is Himalaya's Neem Purifying Face Wash. Again, it is a very good face wash. It can be used by dry skin people, and if you have oily skin type, definitely you can use it too. You will be getting 50 ml of product, and the price is rupees 63. And I really love this face wash, guys. It is affordable and it is really a good face wash. The next face wash that I am having is this Everyuth moisturizing fruit face wash. So if your skin type is dry, you can definitely give this product a try. This is also a very good face wash which doesn't strip out oil from your face, and it cleans your face very nicely. It is priced at rupees 60. Now I have 2 scrubs for you guys. Now this one is Biotique Bio Papaya Visibly Ageless Scrub Wash. This is an amazing scrub wash because the particles, the granules which it is having, it is so soft, and at your age your skin is so tender. You shouldn't be using anything which is harsh on your face. So I have picked up this one for you guys, and it retails only at rupees 60. One more thing, that you should not be scrubbing your face too much. You should be scrubbing your face once in 2 weeks. That is actually the right thing to do for you guys. Remember this thing. And the next one is Blossom Culture Aroma Magic Mineral Glow Scrub. It retails at rupees 175, and after using once only, you will understand it gives you a very soft, bright, glowing look. So yeah, this is also great. Now I'm going to show you 2 toners which can be used by all skin type people. So the first one is this VLCC Rose Toner. I just love the smell. It is having the typical rose smell in it. It refreshes your skin, it rejuvenates your skin, and it simply make you feel so good. It retails at only rupees 170. The next one is this Jovi Sun Defense Neem Skin Toner. It is a neem skin toner, but it can be used by all skin types. It also refreshes your skin so nicely and moisturizes your skin so well. If you are looking for some hydrating toner, I will definitely suggest you to go for this one. It retails only at rupees 180. Now I'm going to show you some very affordable moisturizers, but let me tell you something, these are not very fancy products, but these are definitely good for your skin. I have 2 moisturizers from Nivea, okay, and the third one is also from Nivea. Let me tell you, because I feel they are safe for your skin. The first one is Nivea Soft Chill and Mint Moisturizer. These are very lightweight and it quickly absorbs in your skin. And the next one is a Nivea Soft Tropical Fruit Moisturizer. I have a separate video on it. If you want, you can just check out my skincare list. You would definitely get these, and it retails only at rupees 85, and these are like a very lightweight moisturizer. If your skin type is normal to oily, you can definitely try out these 2. And if your skin type is very dry, then I will suggest you go for this Nivea cream. The price of this one is only rupees 79. And what I can talk about this is a product, this is something, this is a very renowned product. Let me tell you, maybe these moisturizers are not that fancy, but definitely it works for you. Now let's quickly talk about some sunscreens. I have two options with me, both are good. Now I do believe sunscreens are the most important skincare products that no one should miss. The first one is from Pond's. As you can see, it is Pond's Sun Protect non-oily sunscreen. If your skin type is really oily, you can definitely go for this sunscreen. It doesn't leave any white cast on your face, and it is having SPF 30 in it. You will be getting protection from UVA, UVB. It is PA++ also, and the price is so nominal. You will be getting a lot of sunscreen only at rupees 99. The next sunscreen is a most talked about sunscreen. This is Neutrogena's Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock. I keep on forgetting the name. It is having an SPF of 50+, and it is very lightweight. And if your skin type is dry, you can definitely go for this sunscreen. You'll be getting 30 ml of product, and it retails only at rupees 199. Both of these sunscreens are really good. At your age, at times you do not feel using a lot of products on your face. That time what you need? That time you need a good rose water for your face. Now there are a lot of rose waters available in market. My personal favorite is Kama Ayurveda, but I can't talk about that product in this video because that is priced at rupees 100. But I have one option for you guys, and this is such a big bottle of rose water. It is coming from a brand named Banjaras. You will be thinking it is very costly, but no, it is only priced at rupees 125, and you will be getting 1 liter of rose water. And let me tell you, all the Banjaras product I really like. They make products which are skin friendly, which are affordable, and which are of good quality. You can definitely give this rose water a try. When I'm talking about skincare, how can I miss aloe vera gel? But unfortunately right now I only have one product which comes under rupees 200, and which is this one, Patanjali Saundarya Aloe Vera Gel. This is a great product, guys. What I do, I also use this aloe vera gel, by the way. I just apply it on my face and keep it for 15-20 minutes. I wash it off, and I get that soft moisturized feeling. I get a soft glow on my face, and this is it is having kesar and chandan in it, as it is written over here. So yeah, I get that soft glow, a moisturizing feeling. I feel good by applying this product. But I have a separate video on aloe vera gels. I'll link it in the I button. If you want to know more about aloe vera gels which comes under rupees 200, I think that video can help you. And the price of this product is, I think, not more than 100 rupees. I'm not getting the price right now over here. Please do check the links below to know the price. At your age, you mostly suffer from oily skin and acne problems. Keeping that stuff in mind, I do have two face pack with me. This is the Multani Mitti face pack, Multani Mitti and Papaya face pack from Banjaras. This is a really good face pack, guys, and it gives you instantly a clear, glowing, soft skin, and it retails only at rupees 60. The next face pack is a very well known face pack. This is Himalayas Neem face pack. I have dry skin, but still too I love it because it instantly gives me a clear, bright skin. That's the reason I like it. So yes, again, if your skin type is from normal to oily, you can go for this face pack, and it retails only at rupees 75. Now let's talk about some lip balms. The first one is this one. This is Organic Harvest Lip Butter Rose Lip Balm. This is something which I love in those days when I don't feel like wearing any lipstick, because this lip balm is tinted, as you can see. I think it comes in different variants. I can't remember, and I can't remember the price also, but definitely it comes under rupees 200. You can definitely check out the link afterwards. Now the next lip balm is this Himalayas, sorry for the noise, and Himalaya Sun Protect lip balm. Now this lip balm is having that orangey smell in it, and It is having SPF, but I don't know, I can't find where it is mentioned. Maybe in the outer packaging it was mentioned, I can't remember. But I have a separate video on these lip balms. I will leave the link in the I button, you can just check it out. And after you apply it, it doesn't have a tint, but it gives you a glossy lips like this, you know. So yeah, and the next one is a very famous product and the most affordable lip balm. This is Himalaya's lip balm. It retails only at rupees 35, but if you ask me, this is my favorite lip balm. I am going to show you two under eye creams, but it is not necessary for you to apply a under eye cream at this age, but different people is having different type of skin concern. Keeping that in mind, I'm going to show you some under eye creams. Now this is an anti-phatic under eye creams, mean if your eyes are feeling very tired, you can apply this Biotique Bio Seaweed under eye cream, which gives a very instant cooling effect and very soothing effect around your eyes, which makes me at least feel very good, and it retails at only rupees 199. And the next one is again a very famous product. This is from Aroma Magic. This is a good under eye cream. It is only meant to moisturize your eyes. It is not going to help you to deal with your dark circle problems, let me tell you that. And it comes under your budget also. It is priced at rupees 195. So both of these products are really good. If you are looking for something like an under eye cream at an affordable rate, you can give these two products a try. I hope that you have found this video helpful. If you have liked this video, please do leave a like and do subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that bell icon, and see you all in my next video. And until then, just stay safe, stay happy, take care. Bye bye.